First question is like this. First question is like this. Limit x tends to 0. 4x cube minus x square plus 2x over 3x square plus 4x. Oh, it's a very interesting question, I know. हामीले पहिला पनि डिस्कस गरेछौँ. I already mentioned you that. Firstly, we have to check whether there is indeterminate form or not. So, let's apply the limit. Let's check first. पहिला check गरौँ. In all, in this expression, all terms have x in denominator and numerator both. So we will get 0 by 0 form. It is understood. 0 by 0 form हुन्छ because 0 times something, 0 times something, 0 times something, like that. So we have to write one more line, one more sentence. When x equal to 0, when we put x equal to 0, the function or the given function takes 0 by 0 form, which is indeterminate form. Indeterminate form. So let's think for removing the indeterminate form. I have mentioned you that 5 ways. The first is common. Think for common. Think for common. First step, I prefer, or we have to try from that way. So limit x tends to 0, dear students. X, while taking x common from numerator, you will obtain 4x square minus x plus 2. And in denominator, x common 3x plus 4. How interesting is this? You can cancel this factor. Then limit x tends to 0, 4x square minus x plus 2 over 3x plus 4 we obtain. Now check once. Here is no x term, here also no x term, other will be 0. Then we will get a real value. So that we can apply the limit now. So dear students, apply the limit 4 times 0 square minus 0 plus 2. I know you are familiar now. 3 times 0 plus 4 equal, upper one is 2, lower one is 4. In lowest form it is 1 by 2. So in this way we can find the limit. Solution we can do by this way. Hope you understand this. Now we have to shift to the next question, dear students. Question number B. Let's start question number B. Limit x tends to 4, x cube minus 64 over x square minus 16. It is also very interesting question. Okay. In this question also, when x equal to 4, 4 cube is 64 minus 64 is 0. 4 square is 16 minus 16 is 0. So we will get indeterminate form, or the function takes 0 by 0 form. So dear students, you have to write one more sentence. When x equal to 0, the function takes 0 by 0 form which is indeterminate form. So we should change our strategy, or we cannot apply the limit directly. So second step I told you, dear students, second point is think for formula. Think and plan for formula. Okay, to remove the indeterminate form. So limit x tends to 4, x cube minus 64 over x square minus 16 equal limit x tends to 4, a cube minus b cube, or one more step, x cube minus 4 cube over x square minus 16. You are grade 11 students, so I think it is not required. Anyway, limit x tends to 4, a cube minus b cube is x minus 4 x square plus 4 times x is 4x. We can write directly 4x plus 4 square is 16 over x minus 4 x plus 4. In these questions we have to think and plan for a formula, using formula. So using formula I have used factorization formula, or x cube minus 4q is x minus 4 x square plus 4 x 16. Then x square minus 16 is x plus 4 x minus 4. We can cancel this. Then limit x tends to 4, x square plus 4x plus 16 over x plus 4. कति बेला अन्डरस्टुड हुन्छ कि कुनै नम्बर सिंगल छ भन्ने बित्तिकै x को भ्यालु जति भए पनि त्यो सिंगल नम्बरले गर्दा x को भ्यालु 0 सम्म हुँदा अरु अदर्स नम्बर हुँदा एक्सेप्ट इन्फिनिटी यसले चाहिँ लिमिट दिन्छ भन्ने गेसिङ चाहिँ गर्न सक्छौ है. Now we have to apply the limit, dear student. 4 square is 4 square plus 4 times 4 plus 16 over 4 plus 4. 16, 16, 16, 48, 48 by 4 plus 4, 8 equal to 6 answer. A same problem can be done by another process also, dear students. That is also interesting method, हैन. म यसको नेक्स्ट सल्युसन पनि बताउँछु by yes or. यस्तो क्वेशन आयो भने you may think, or you may plan, or you can solve by another method. Okay, limit x tends to 4, x cube minus 64 over x square minus 16. अब यसमा हामी फर्स्टमा चाहिँ के गर्छौं, के लेख्छौं, when x equal to 4 the function takes 0 by 0 form. यो इन्डिटरमिनेट फर्म भइहाल्यो. त्यसपछि के गर्ने त, लिमिट x tends to 4 x cube minus 64 over x square minus 16. एउटा आइडिया लगाऊ. औ हामीले त लिमिट यसरी पनि गर्न सकिन्छ भन्ने आइडिया लगाऊ. त्यो आइडिया के भन्दा, हेरौँ न, डिवाइडिङ numerator and denominator by x minus 4. Then x minus 4 ले न्युमेरेटर र डिनोमिनेटर लाई डिवाइड गर्यो भने हामी कस्तो अवस्थामा पुग्छौं. यहाँबाट सुरु गर्छु म. limit x tends to 4, x cube minus 64 over x minus 4 whole over x square minus 16 by x minus 4. यसलाई सेपरेट पनि गरिदिउँ न त. Limit x tends to 4, x cube minus 4 cube by x minus 4 whole over limit x tends to 4, x square minus 4 square by x minus 4. कस्तो इन्ट्रेस्टिङ है. अब हामी यो पार्टबाट यसलाई के गर्न सक्छौं त भन्दा लिमिटको फर्मुला लगाउन सक्छौं. x tends to a, xn minus an by x minus a, upper and lower separately you can apply. Now using the formula of limit, on both nr and dr, अपरमा तिमी के देख्छौ, अपरमा तिमी के देख्छौ. अब अपरमा फर्मुला आउँदा n भनेको 3, a भनेको 4, 3 minus n minus 1. डिनोमिनेटरमा के देख्छौ, 2 भनेको n, a भनेको 4, 2 minus 1. 3 times 4 square, 2 times 4. यसलाई कट पनि गर्न सक्छौं. 12 by 2 is 6 answer. Same answer we obtain. In this way, we can solve the same problem by different techniques or ideas. Hope all of you getting this. Now, dear students, let's move to next question. Question number C. Limit x tends to a, thank you Saurabh, x to the power 2 by 3 minus a to the power 2 by 3 over x minus a. In this case also, when x equal to a, the function takes 0 by 0 form. So, limit x tends to a, x to the power 2 by 3 minus a to the power 2 by 3 by x minus a equal. Now we can apply the formula of the limit. If indeterminate form comes, we have to change, or we can remove by using that part also. Okay, 2 by 3 n, yes, a n is 2 by 3 minus 1 equal 2 by 3 times a to the power minus 1 by 3, 3 ones are 3, and it will be minus a by 3, or in positive form. In general, we keep it in positive form. 2 3 times a to the power 1 by 3 is the answer. Yes, Sijan Kumar, yes, you are right. Now we can solve the same problem by another method also, dear student. We can solve the same problem by another method. In another case, the idea is helpful or needed, or in the same problem you can apply or you may not apply, but in other problems you may judge, you may test, or you may think. So I want to deliver the next way also. Okay, solving the problem, same problem. Okay, from first same steps I will not repeat. Yes, when x equal to 8, then the function takes 0 by 0 form. So then, okay, limit x tends to a, x to the power 2 by 3 minus a to the power 2 by 3 whole over x minus a equal yes, we can apply limit x tends to a. X to the power 1 by 3 to the power 2. We can express x to the power 2 by 3 as x to the power 1 by 3 whole square. Power to the power will multiply, so that I express in this way. A to the power 1 by 3 to the power whole square over, how can we express in terms of x to the power 1 by 3? Let's think, x to the power 1 by 3 to the power 3. 3 cancel, we will get x. A to the power 1 by 3 times 3. Here I have expanded the same thing. I have changed the pattern or the way I express in this way. X is x to the power 1 by 3 to the power 3. A is a to the power 1 by 3 to the power 3. While cancel, we will get x minus a. Similarly, in numerator, x to the power 2 by 3 is x to the power 1 by 2 to the power 1 by 3 to the power 2 minus a to the power 1 by 3 to the power 2. Then, dear students, then we can apply here a square minus b square form. Okay, we can apply a square minus b square form. That is x to the power 1 by 3 plus a to the power 1 by 3, a plus b, x to the power 1 by 3 plus a, here minus a to the power 1 by 3, this is minus, dear students. Then over AQ minus BQ formula you can apply here. A minus B x to the power 1 by 3 minus a to the power 1 by 3 times a square x to the power 1 by 3 whole square plus AB x to the power 1 by 3 times a to the power 1 by 3 plus a to the power 1 by 3 whole square. Here I forgot to mention limit x tends to a. Then you can cancel these two terms. You can write limit x tends to a, x to the power 1 by 3 plus a to the power 1 by 3 whole over x to the power 2 by 3 in first plus x to the power 1 by 3 times a to the power 1 by 3 plus a to the power 2 by 3. Then we can apply the limit now. Yes, in positive form we can apply. So while applying the limit, dear students, you will get a to the power 1 by 3 plus a to the power 1 by 3 in numerator and a to the power 2 by 3 plus a to the power 1 by 3 a to the power 1 by 3 plus a to the power 2 by 3. Here I replace, yeah, and here. So upper one is 2 times a to the power 1 by 3. We have added this a to the power 2 by 3, a to the power 2 by 3. Here we find the sum. It is also a to the power 1 by 3 plus a to the power 1 by 3 a to the power 2 by 3 and a to the power 2 by 3, so that there is 3 a to the power 2 by 3. Then 2 by 3 you can subtract, you can send, yeah, a to the power 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 equal to 2 by 3 to the power 1 by 3 is answer. So the second method is a little bit long but conceptual. Okay, we can change, whether we can change by another way, we can solve by another way or not, or there is the use of indices, dear students. हैन, हामी indices को पनि प्रयोग गरिरहेछौं. तिमी x को पावर 2 by 3 लाई 1 by 3 to the power 2 मा पावर को पावर मल्टिप्लाई हुन्छ भन्ने कन्सेप्ट पनि तिमी यहाँ अप्लाई गरिरहेछौ. a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर फर्मुला a क्यूब माइनस b को फर्मुला पनि अप्लाई गरिरहेछौ. द्याट्स वाइ इट इज इम्पोर्टेन्ट मेथड। अनि लिमिट लगाएपछि पनि फेरि तिमी एड गर्छौ 3 टाइम्स a to the power 3, फेरि इन्डिसेसको पावर सब्ट्र्याक्ट हुन्छ, डिभिजनमा प्रोडक्टमा चाहिँ एड हुन्छ भन्ने कुरा पनि सम्झिनुपर्छ, तिमीले जान्नुपर्छ। यो सेकेन्ड मेथडले धेरै जानकारी दिन्छ, तिम्रो म्याथमेटिकल कन्सेप्टहरू धेरै कुराहरूलाई समेटेर यो सल्भ गर्न सक्छौ। द्याट्स वाइ सेकेन्ड मेथड इज knowledgeable and first method is just using formula. You can apply any one for your understanding. I have shown the second one also. Hope you enjoy the second solution also, dear students. Okay, now let's move to the next question, dear students. E number limit, you can copy this question. X square minus 5x plus 6, x square minus x minus 2. F number limit x tends to 2, x square minus 4x plus 4 over x square minus 7x plus 10. Hope you can, this is classwork. I'm waiting for a few minutes. Dear students, can you post your answer on it? Either E or F. You can write the answer in chat box. First number and second number or second number. I will wait for 3 minutes. Eh? Next question is like this. Thank you for your response, dear students. I am very happy with you all and those who are trying also. G number, dear students. Question is like this. Limit x tends to a root 3x minus 2x plus a whole over 2 times x minus a. When we put x equal to a, 3a minus 2a plus is 3a, 0. 0 times 2 is 0. Okay, so write down when x equal to a, the function takes 0 by 0 form. Yeah. Now, so limit x tends to a root 3x minus 2x plus a over 2 times x minus a. So think for rationalization. Okay, I have mentioned you that we can apply rationalization process when we find the indeterminate form. To remove indeterminate form, we can use the rationalization process as well if there is some radical sign. So what are the rationalizing factors of numerator? Because denominator is already rationalized, no need to think for the denominator. Now numerator you can rationalize, eh? So dear students, limit x tends to a 3x minus 2x plus a 2 times x minus a. So rationalizing factor of numerator is root 3x plus root 2x plus a whole over root 3x plus 2x root under 2x plus a within a same radical sign. That's interesting. Then next step is, dear students, a plus a minus b, a plus b. So it will be a square minus b square. Sijan Kumar Gyawali Oh, 11 by 4 root 3a. Thank you. So we can write this.
So one.
Now we can apply a minus b, a plus b. So the product is limit x tends to a, x tends to a, x tends to a root 3x whole square minus 2x plus a whole square over 2 times x minus a root 3x plus root under 3x plus 2x plus a. Then upper one is root 3x whole square, that is 3x, limit x tends to a, this is 3x, simply 3x, yeah. Then minus 2x plus a, while opening the bracket using negative sign, it will be 2x minus a. You will obtain this result in numerator, and 2 times x minus a times root 3x plus root under 2x plus a in denominator. Okay, then dear students, limit x tends to a, 3x minus 2x is x, and a itself x minus a in numerator, and 2 times x minus a times root 3x plus 2x plus a in denominator. You can cancel this, how interesting, yeah. Then limit x tends to a 1 over 2 times root 3x plus root under 2x plus a. Now we can apply the limit, dear students. You will get 1 over, if a is a, 2 times 2a root 2a plus root 3a, here is a root 3a plus here also root 3a equal 1 over, this is 2 root 3a times 2 is 4 root 3a is the answer, dear students. Yeah, in this way we can solve this question. Animalla, any problem? I think you got it. You right, I got it. Now the dear students, very interesting questions we were discussing still. What time is it now? Yeah, we are in right position. So next question, dear students, let me start. Yes, number. Limit x tends to a root 2x minus root 3x minus a over root x minus root a. This is very important question. Here you can solve this question. This is same factor. You can rationalize both numerator and denominator, dear students. Okay, let's see the solution. Yeah, the solution is when x equal to a, the function takes 0 by 0 form. So limit x tends to a root 2x minus under root 3x minus a over root x minus root a equal limit x tends to a root 2x minus root 3x minus a over root x minus root a times what is the rationalizing factor of numerator, that is just making plus here, so root 2x plus root under 3x minus a over root 2x plus root under 3x minus a times what is the rationalizing factor of denominator. Saurabh, you got the answer, thank you. Minus 1 by root 2, yes, minus 1 by root 2. Saurabh, your answer, or a root 2. Okay, then rationalized factor of this is root under x plus root under a, root under x plus root under a. Then limit x tends to a, while multiplying these two factors we obtain 2x minus 3x plus a. Okay, because minus within a bracket you obtain 3x minus a, then here minus, it gives minus 3x plus a, and this is one part. Then another part is this root x plus root a whole over the product of first and last is x minus a, then the second term is remains same, root 2x plus root under 3x minus a. Yeah, then limit x tends to a, 2x minus 3x is minus x plus a, root x plus root a all over x minus a times root 2x plus root under 3x minus a. Then the next step is, dear students, limit x tends to a, you can take minus common here, so I keep in front line, first line, that is x minus a, because while taking minus common, minus minus plus and plus minus minus, or they will, while taking minus common, they will interchange their sign. Yeah, that's good, dear students, I obtain your answer, no problem for that. Yes, whole over x minus a times root 2x plus 3x minus a equal, cancel, minus limit x tends to a, root under x plus root under a whole over root under 2x plus root under 3x minus a. So the last step, now you can apply the limit, minus root a plus root a over root 2a plus root 2a equal to minus 2 root 2a over 2 root 2a, minus 2 root a over minus 2 root 2a, it can be cancelled, equal to root a by, you can separate this, root 2 times root a equal, okay, minus sign also here, minus 1 over root 2 is answer. Minus 1 over root 2 is answer. Bibas Thapas, thank you very much, that answer is correct. Yeah, I think you don't have any question till now. Yeah, now I number question, dear students. limit x tends to 1 root 2x minus under root 3 minus x square over x minus 1 self you can do. And j number limit x tends to 2 root under x minus root under 6 minus x square whole over x minus 2. You will get indeterminate form. You can rationalize the denominator, and finally you will obtain the answer for this question as well. This is also for self. Now last extra question, dear students. Yeah, extra question. Evaluate limit x tends to a x minus 3 to the power 7 minus a minus 3 to the power also 7 whole over x minus a. Suppose we have to solve this question. It's very interesting question and important question. Solution of this question is like this. When x equal a, then the function takes 0 by 0 form. So limit x tends to a x minus 3 to the power 7 minus a minus 3 to the power 7 over x minus a. Interesting छ, तिमीले सोच्न सक्छौ. हामी फर्मुला लगाउन. सोच के छ रे फर्मुला? ओ सर हामी जान्दछौ नि, x tends to a x को पावर n minus a को पावर n over x minus a भयो त n a n minus हुन्छ नि हो. ठिकै डाड भयो है, यसलाई मिलाउन खोज न. यो टर्म्सलाई a मान, x मान, होल टर्म्सलाई, यो होल टर्म्सलाई b a सपोज गर, यो सबै a हो, यो सबै x हो भन्यो भने डिनोमिनेटरमा पनि त्यस्तै फर्म डेभलप गर्यो भने त फर्मुला लाउन पाइहालिन्छ भनेर सोचौं ल. त्यसपछि के गर्ने त भन्दा लिमिट x minus 3 tends to a minus 3. x a तिर एप्रोचेस छ भने यस सौरभ x minus 3 चाहिँ a minus 3 तिर एप्रोच हुन्छ. अब यसलाई फर्मेटमा लैजाऊ. x minus 3 को पावर 7 minus a minus 3 को पावर 7 बनाऊ. अब डिनोमिनेटरमा कस्तो इन्ट्रेस्टिङ हुन्छ हेर है. x minus 3 तिमीलाई एउटा चाहियो अनि माइनस तिमीलाई के चाहियो, a minus 3 चाहियो. हेरौं त के हुन्छ. यो पार्टलाई है मैले आफैले चाहिएर बनाइदिएको म यहाँ गर्छु. x minus 3 minus a minus 3 गर्यौं भने यो दुईटा पार्टबाट x minus 3 यो माइनस 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 a भयो, माइनस माइनस प्लस a भयो, 3 3 क्यान्सल हुँदो रहेछ, x minus a हुँदो रहेछ. भनेपछि x minus a को स्टेप्समा ठाउँमा x minus 3 minus a minus 3 रिप्लेस गर्न सकिदो रहेछ. यो आइडिया बनाए मैले. हामीलाई चाहियो x minus 3 र माइनस a minus 3 नै चाहियो. मैले चेक गरे अथवा तिमी यो आइडिया जेनेरेट गर्यौ, यसरी लेख्न खोज्यौ, यसरी एक्सप्रेस गर्ने आइडिया जेनेरेट गर्यौ भन्ने अर्थमा बुझिन्छ है. यो कसरी जानियो त भन्ने अर्थमा एउटा माथिको जस्तै प्याटर्न बनाउँदाखेरि र चेक गर्दा मिल्यो कि मिलेन भन्न सक्छौ. अर्को कुरा भनेको तिम्रो यसरी एक्सप्रेस गर्दा हैन, यो चेक गर्दा x minus 3 minus a minus 3 ले त्यही रिजल्ट दियो. अर्को चाहिँ लेट्स चेक हैन, यो प्याटर्नमा जान्छ कि जाँदैन, फर्मुला एप्लाई गर्न. यो चाहिँ ट्रायल वेमा जान्ने हो, तिमीले नलेज त्यहाँ अनुसार लिन सक्छौ. अब यो स्टेपमा भएपछि त तिमी के गर्न सक्छौ, डाइरेक्टली फर्मुला लगाउन सक्छौ. x tends to a xn minus an x minus a भनेको त n पहिला आउँछ, n भनेको 7 हो बाबु नानी हो, अनि a भनेको हाम्रो के छ, a minus 3 छ, n भनेको फेरि 7 हो अनि minus 1 हुन्छ. यो फर्मुला हामी एप्लाई गरिरहेका छौँ. Then 7 times a minus 3 to the power 6 is the answer. In this way, we can solve these problems, dear students. Okay, it's very interesting. Up to which one is J, and one more extra questions I have added. Also, I have discussed, and now one extra questions also I have discussed. Now move to maybe most probably K number, dear students. Limit x tends to 64, 6th roots of x minus 2 over cube root of x minus 4. This is the question. Now here also we find it is indeterminate form or not. Let's check. Or it is an indeterminate form. When x equals 64, the function takes 0 by 0 form. Okay, 6 root of 60 by 2 minus 2 and q root is 4 of 64. So limit x tends to 64, x to the power 1 by 6 minus 2 over x to the power 1 by 3 minus 2 square. I have proceeded in this way. And next step, limit x tends to 64, x to the power 1 by 6 minus 2 whole over x to the power 1 by 6 whole square minus 2 square. Let me check here. 2 product power to the power will multiply, and 2 3 is 6. It remains x to the power 1 by 3. We have developed this pattern because we can cancel some more terms or the terms with the numerator. That's why we have developed here. The logic is only that much. Limit x tends to 64, x to the power 1 by 6 minus 2 all over, make a group of this. Now a square minus b square formula, 1 by 6 plus 2 x to the power 1 by 6 minus 2. It can be cancelled. Then yes, thank you Divash. X tends to 64, 1 over x to the power 1 by 6 plus 2 equal, now you can apply the limit. 1 over x means 64 to the power 1 by 6 plus 2. 6 to the power 1 by 6 is 1 over 2 to the power 6 times 1 by 6 plus 2 equal 1 over 2 plus 2 equal 1 by 4 is the answer. Yes, Abhinav Sisir Baradi. Yes, thank you. This is the solution for this question, dear student. Now next to question, dear students, L number. Limit x tends to a root 3a minus x minus root x plus a over 4 times x minus a. When x tends to a, or when x equal to a, 3a minus a is 2a minus a plus a to a, that is 0. 0 minus a minus a 0 times is 0. So this is also 0 by 0 form. To solve this question, I will give hints only because it is repeated question. So you have to multiply dr, in denominator and numerator, by the conjugate of by the conjugate of numerator and solve it. Just I have given hints because if I solve all the problem you won't be creative. That's why I have given these questions to you all. If you can solve, you can post within 2 minutes. I will proceed accordingly, or I will start the next question, dear student. Okay. Okay, let's move to the next. Yeah, interesting. Now moving to the next type of questions, dear student. First of all, I will make a note here. I will remind you here. Let's remember into finite number equal to infinitive, and infinitive plus finite number is also infinitive. This is the note for all. So Mandip Adhikari, that's Saurabh. Yes, you are right, dear students. I am very happy with you. Now calculate the following limits. We have to find, calculate. You can post your answer in chat box. Thank you. I will respond that. Season, thank you. Calculate the following limits. Question A number. Limit x tends to infinity, dear students. 2x square over 3x square plus 2. It is another type of question, dear students. Hey? In this case, when x equal infinitive, the function takes the form infinitive over infinitive. Yes, Bibas, Saurabh, that's good. Because infinitive times a finite number is infinitive, and infinitive plus finite number is infinitive. I have also already mentioned over here. So we will get indeterminate form. This is another basic form of indeterminate form. Thank you. Continue here. Yeah. So we have to change the indeterminate form by various process, but especially in case of limit x tends to infinitive, we have to solve this problem by dividing numerator and denominator by the highest power of the variable. So now dividing numerator and denominator by x square. The highest power of the variable is x square, so we have to divide, because if we divide by x square, then let's see what will happen. I will explain accordingly. 2x square over x square whole over 3x square by x square plus 2 by also x square. I have separated and divided. Okay, I did together that point. Limit x tends to infinity. This can be cancelled. We obtain 2 whole over. This can be cancelled. We obtain 3 plus 2 by x square. And something by infinitive will be 0. Something by infinitive will be 0. That I have already mentioned in previous class also. So 3 plus 0 will be 3, and 2 is itself 2. So we can apply the limit, dear student. We will not get indeterminate form in this position. If you obtain again indeterminate form, we have to apply L'Hospital rule. That will be discussed in grade 12, but here it is clear. So 2 over 3 plus 2 by infinitive is 0. so that the value is the main target of dividing by highest power is making something by infinitive. Yeah, making something by infinitive which gives 0, and we will obtain the value or the numerical value. Okay, so I have drawn this, dear student. Now let's move to B number question. The B number question is limit x tends to infinity 3x square minus 4 over 4x square. The same process you can apply. This is for you. Please copy the question, dear students, and you can solve this question. Similarly, C number question also, limit x tends to infinity 4x square plus 3x plus 2 over 5x square plus 4x minus 3. Yes, what is the answer of this? What is the answer of this? You can post. This is also self. You can do yourself. And now D number question of this question number, limit of similar type x tends to infinity. Put your answer 5x square plus 2x minus 7 over 3x square plus 5x minus 2. This is also self. All these questions can be solved by, all these are indeterminate form or infinity by infinity form, so that you can solve all these three questions by dividing numerator and denominator by the highest power. Here also highest power x square or 2 of the variable x square, that highest power is 2 of x. Here also 2 of x. If you divide all these terms, numerator and denominator, by x square, and you will get the simple form like this, and you will get exact value. Okay, now what is the answer of C, B, C and D? You can post yourself. Okay, now we have to move to another types of questions, dear students. I hope you understand this. Now moving to next questions, dear student, calculate the following limit. Calculate the following limits. Calculate the following limits. We have given here limit x tends to infinity root x minus root x minus 3. Yeah. Oh, interesting question. Radical sign. Oh, what can we do? Let's think. Yeah. Firstly, let's check. Let's think for applying the limit directly. Put the value infinity. And while putting x equal to infinity, we will get infinity minus infinity form. Yeah. So write down, dear student, this is also in indeterminate form. X equal to infinity, the given function takes the form infinity minus infinity, which is also indeterminate form. Yeah. Now, so limit x tends to infinity root x minus root under x minus 3 equal limit x tends to infinity root x minus root x minus 3 times 0 is answer. Okay, that's good. Root x plus root under x minus 3 over root x plus root under x minus 3. That's good. Yes, Abiral, Divas, yes, there, yes, Putter, yes, thank you, yes. Limit x tends to infinity, a minus b form here, a plus b form. So a square minus b square form means we will remove the radical sign. Then we will obtain here x minus, this is also x, but minus minus makes plus, so 3 will be positive. We will get in this way. If you multiply these two terms, a square minus b square, using a square minus b square form, a square is root x whole square is x minus in middle, and b square is x minus 3, root under x minus 3, that will remove. But by multiplying this middle sign by this one or opening the bracket, the product minus minus makes positive or plus. That's why we obtain this, right? And in denominator we can't do anything. Root x plus root under x minus 3. You cancel garnos the, you can cancel that. X tends to infinity, 0. 3 by root x plus root under x minus 3 equal. Now we can apply the limit. Mathi 3 pi alio, root under infinity is infinity plus root under infinity minus 3, subtracting some or adding some, that infinity, root under infinity is power of infinity 1 by 2 equal to infinity, equal to infinity plus infinity is infinity, something by infinity is 0. In this way we obtain the result, dear students. Okay, we obtain the result. Now B number question, limit x tends to infinity, root x minus a, root x minus b. This question is given here. Solution: when x equal infinity, the given function takes the form infinity minus infinity, or that is indeterminate form. Therefore, limit x tends to infinity. Can you put your answer in chat? Minus root under x minus b equal. Okay. Limit x tends to infinity, root x minus a minus root x minus b times root x minus a plus root x minus b whole over root x minus a plus root x minus b. Finally, after using this term and the steps, you will get b minus a by infinity plus infinity, that will be 0. I miss few steps for you, dear students. If I all solve the problems, all the problems if I solve, then your creativity will lost. Okay, will lose. Okay, now moving to the next part, dear students. Next number is C number. Let's see C number. Question is like this: limit x tends to infinity, root 3x minus x minus 5. We have given this. Okay, this is good question, so-called important question. Solution: here, when x equal to infinity, the function, the given function takes the form infinity minus infinity. Okay, then limit, we can remove the indeterminate form by multiplying the rationalizing factors. We discussed that, हैन हामी पहिल्यै त्यो चर्चा गरिसकेका छौं. 5 techniques I taught you already. If you miss, you can watch. Okay, times root 3x plus root under x minus 5 root 3x plus root x minus 5. Then all posted 0. I think let's see. Limit x tends to infinity. The product of this is 3x minus x plus 5. Many times I repeated about the product. And then denominator is root 3x plus root under x minus 5. Infinitive, yes, the base, you are right. Thank you. X tends to infinity. 3x minus x is 2x plus 5. Sisir, yes, yeah. And root under 3x plus root under x minus 5. Still, yeah. X tends to infinity. 2 times infinity plus infinity. Oh, again infinity form. Yes. So again we have to solve these questions by dividing numerator and denominator by x. Yeah. Again dividing nr and dr by x, then what will happen? Let's see, dear students. 2x sorry, 2x plus 5 over x root 3x plus root under x minus 5 also whole over x equal, I have expanded this, okay, to make you clear. Limit x tends to infinity, separate and cut, you'll get 2 plus 5 over x whole over x is root x into root under x square. Here I show you x simply means root under x square. Okay, root under x square ki x, you can express in this way. So here what can we do? Separate also. Root under 3x by x square plus yes, root under x minus 5 by also x square, because x we enter x by making under the radical sign and increasing or we double the power, हैन, स्क्वायर बनायौं. यो स्टेपबाट तिमीलाई थाहा हुन्छ. मैले अलिकति एक्सपान्ड गरेको हुँ, यसलाई तिमी अलिकति सर्ट गर्न पनि सक्छौ. ओके, एनीवे 2 plus 5 by x over यो स्टेजमा जाउँ, root under 3 by x plus root under x minus 5 by यसलाई सेपरेट पनि गर्न सक्यो है. यतिकै पनि गरौँ अर सेपरेट गरौँ. ल, यसलाई सेपरेट गर्यौं भने root under x x र x काट्दा यहाँ 1 over x minus 5 over x square है, यो फर्ममा जान्छ. ल, I think you understand this. Equal to a limit x tends to, अब लिमिट लगाइदिउँ ल. ओके, देन 2 plus 5 by infinity is 0. 2 plus 0 in numerator. In denominator के पाउँछौं हामी? 3 by infinity is के हुन्छ? 3 by infinity is something by infinity is 0. Root under 0 is 0 plus 1 by infinity is 0 minus 5 by infinity is also 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Under root 0 is 0. यस्तो हुँदो रहेछ है, यस्तो रमाइलो. 2/0 आयो. 2/0 is infinity. I got the answer in this way, dear students. This is a so-called important question. Yeah, so-called important question is this. Hope you understand clearly.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Can you explain that fourth last step?
One, two, three, four. This step.
Yes, sir.
2 + 5/x को रुट अन्डर. यो तिमीले पहिला यहाँबाट बुझ, म तिमीलाई फेरि रिपिट गरेँ. ठिक छ, यो स्टेपसँग कोही पनि स्टुडेन्ट कन्फ्युज छैनौ. आई गेस होइन, मलाई लाग्छ तपाईँहरू कोही पनि कन्फ्युज छैनौ. अब किन हामीले न्युमरेटर डिनोमिनेटरलाई एक्सले डिभाइड गर्नु पर्यो भन्ने कुरामा फेरि इन्डिटर्मिनेट फर्म आयो. फेरि हामी नयाँ टेक्निक्सतिर गयौँ, न्यू टेक्निकतिर गयौँ. एक्सले डिभाइड गर्दा यो फर्ममा लेखियो. एक्सले डिभाइड मात्रै गरेको देखिएको छ, त्यसमा तनाव भएन. अब माथिको न्युमरेटरमा सेपरेट पनि गऱ्यौँ होइन. 2x + 5/xलाई हामीले के गर्यौँ, 2x/x + 5/x गऱ्यौँ. यो बुझ्नुहुन्छ तपाईँहरू. यो क्यान्सल गर्नुभयो. सो 2 + 5/x भयो. अब डिनोमिनेटरको पार्टमा एक्सले डिभाइड गरेछ, फेरि यो रुटभित्र छ, किन यस्तो भयो होला भन्ने लाग्न सक्छ. मैले दुइटैलाई, जस्तै √3x लाई मैले एक्सले डिभाइड गरेकोलाई मैले के बनाएँ, √3x ओभर √x² गरेँ के. किन भन्दा √x² को रुट अन्डर x² भनेको x न त हो नि. दुइटैको एउटै रेडिकल साइन बनायो भने फ्र्याक्सनल फर्ममा राख्न सजिलो हुन्छ भनेर 3x/x² बनाएँ. यो दुइटा क्यान्सल गरेँ, 3/x आयो. Abhinav, can you try once? I haven't gone through that way. Please try. If that yes, then we can follow that also. अब यो मैले यसलाई यसरी लेखेँ, 3/x आयो. अब यसको पनि पार्टमा नि म फेरि बुझाउँछु. तिमी x - 5 को अन्डर रुटलाई हामी एक्सले डिभाइड गरिरहेछौँ. यो भनेको हामी अन्डर रुट x - 5लाई हामी अन्डर रुट x² ले गरिरहेछौँ. अनि फेरि यसलाई के गर्न सक्यौँ, एउटै अन्डर रुट दियौँ, x - 5/x² गऱ्यौँ. फेरि यसलाई सेपरेट गऱ्यौँ, अन्डर रुट त अन्डर रुटै हो, x/x² - 5/ पनि x² गऱ्यौँ. अब यसको फेरि फाइनल स्टेप के आयो, 1 आयो. यो 1 यो काट्यो, 1/x - 5/x², यो नकाटिकन आयो, जुन मैले यहाँ लेखेछु. Abhinav, you can try. Right? There may be another option also. I will not restrict your way of thinking. So that we obtain this होइन. यो आयो. अब हामी बुझाउँछौँ, लिमिट लगाउँछौँ भन्छौँ हामी होइन. लिमिट लगाउँदा अब 2 अनि 5/∞ भनेको 0, 3/∞ 0 को रुट अन्डर भनेको 0, अनि यो स्टेजमा पनि त्यस्तै गरेर 0. यसकारण we obtain this answer. Hope you understand. Next question is GU 2052. The question is limit x tends to infinity, root x times root x minus root under x minus a. Yes, good. Here also, when x equal to infinity, a/2 is answer. Mandeep, thank you very much. The given function takes 0/0 form. I make it short. Yeah. So limit x tends to infinity, root x times root x minus root x minus a equal limit x tends to infinity. Oh, sorry, this is not 0/0 form. Sorry, my dear student, infinity minus infinity form. Right? Okay, x tends to infinity, root x times root x minus root under x minus a times root x plus root under x minus a over root x plus root under x minus a. Oh, got it? Yes, Jan Gamali, that's good. Equal limit x tends to infinity, root x times, we have multiplied this and this. Yes, this is x minus x plus a, product of these two. Only of this term I have taken conjugate. Suppose 2 root x, the conjugate of 2 root x is root x only, not 2 root x, because 2 itself a real number, a rational number, and here we will not rationalize this, just we will rationalize of this. Okay, now we have not, so root x plus multiply of that conjugate, that is another part, and equal to limit x tends to infinity is cancel a root x over nothing done in denominator. Yeah, Abhinav, thank you. A, then dividing like previous nr and dr by root under x, then we get yes, limit x tends to infinity, I have done here directly a over 1 plus root under by root under, and here will be root under 1 minus a by x. This term is divided by root x. Okay, then the same concept is repeated, that's why I jumped. Okay, one more step. अब लिमिट लगाऊ, यो 1 भइहाल्यो, यो भनेको 0 भइहाल्यो, 1 बाट 0 घटाउँदा 0 1 आयो, रुट अन्डर 1 भनेको 1 रह्यो है, 1 प्लस 1 आयो, इट इज a by 2 भयो. यो स्टेपमा म अलिकति फास्ट गएँ बिकज जस्ट नाउ वी सल्भ द सिमिलर टाइप्स अफ क्वेसन. Very interesting. Now moving to the next question, dear students, let's move. Hope you understand this also. Another so-called important question, E number, this is so-called very important question. Limit x tends to infinity, root under x minus a root under bx. This is a question. Then solution is like this. When x equal infinity, then the given function takes infinity minus infinity form. So limit x tends to infinity, x minus a minus root bx, let's multiply by the conjugate, root x minus a plus root bx and root under x minus a plus root under bx. First step is this, equal limit x tends to infinity. What is the product of these two? That is x minus a minus bx, and the denominator is x minus a plus root under bx. How interesting is this question? Then dear students, do now, yeah, maybe we can take common in this term, equal limit x tends to infinity, we can take common from first and last. X is common, so it becomes 1 minus b times x minus a whole over root x minus a plus root under bx. After that, we have to solve this question by two cases. Okay. Now case first, let b does not equal to 1 here in this part, because the product of x tends to infinity. We can if we put here infinitive, then it will be infinity times something. Yeah, so let's find the value of b. Let's suppose, you know, there are two possible cases. B is either 1 or except than 1, right? In first case, b does not equal to 1, then the function later one, Shishir. Yeah, we can do, but later. Yeah, then the function takes indeterminate form, infinitive by infinitive. हुन्छ कि हुँदैन? यहाँ बीलाई एक भन्दा अरु सपोज गर्यो भने यो 0 हुँदैन. 0 नभएपछि इन्फिनिटिभले समथिङलाई मल्टिप्लाई गरेपछि इन्फिनिटिभ हुन्छ, सबट्र्याक्ट गर्दा इन्फिनिटिभ, त्यहाँ पनि इन्फिनिटिभ आएर इन्फिनिटिभ बाइ इन्फिनिटिभ हुन्छ. सो we write this as a limit x tends to infinity 1 minus bx minus a by x डिवाइड पनि गरियो. यो नोट पनि लेख्न सक्छौ है. रूट अंडर x minus a plus root under bx by as by dividing nr and dr by x. yes, by x ले पनि डिवाइड गरेर लेख्यौ है. देन यो स्टेप पछाडी तिमी के पाउँछौ भन्दा लिमिट x टेन्ड्स टु इन्फिनिटी माथि पाउँछौ 1 minus b पाउँछौ अनि minus a by x पाउँछौ. you will get that result. and denominator मा के पाउँछौ, यो पनि रूट x स्क्वायर भएर जान्छ भन्ने मैले बताइसकेको छु अघिल्लो प्रब्लममा. 1 by x हुन्छ, a by x स्क्वायर हुन्छ भने दोस्रो स्टेपमा के हुन्छ, b by x हुन्छ. x रूट x स्क्वायर भएर जान्छ. यो स्थिति भइसकेपछि लेट्स एप्लाई द लिमिट. के आउँछ रिजल्ट हेरौँ त. इन्फिनिटी लगाइदियो भने के आयो, यो 1 minus b नै आयो. 1 minus b यो भनेको समथिङ बाइ इन्फिनिटी 0 भइहाल्यो. अनि तल पनि यो पनि 0 आउँछ, यो पनि 0 आउँछ, 0 भइहाल्यो. 1 minus b by 0 भनेको समथिङ बाइ 0 भनेको के आउँदो रहेछ, इन्फिनिटी आउँदो रहेछ है. यो कुन केसमा b1 भएन भने इन्फिनिटी आउँदो रहेछ डियर स्टुडेन्ट्स. ल एन्ड देन नेक्स्ट पार्ट, केस सेकेन्ड, let b equal to 1, then the limit limit x tends to infinity. यो स्टेपमै जाऊ त, कता गयो, हामी यो स्टेपमै जाऊ. यो स्टेपबाट हेरौँ त. यदि b1 भयो भने के हुन्छ, यो स्टेपमै मैले हाइलाइट गरेँ. b1 हुने बित्तिकै यो 0 हुन्छ हो. ठीक छ, वान मोर स्टेप लेख्छु म. 1 minus b times x minus a whole over x minus a plus root bx becomes यो कस्तो बन्छ त limit x tends to infinity माथि b 0 हुने बित्तिकै minus a रहन्छ डिनोमिनेटरमा के हुन्छ सेम रहन्छ है bx नै रहन्छ यस अब हामी लिमिट एक्जिस्ट गराउँ minus a by यो ठाउँबाट हामी के पाउँछौं इन्फिनिटी पाउँछौं यो चाहिँ 0 हुन्छ यो सोलुसन चाहिँ यसरी हुन्छ डियर स्टुडेन्ट
Sure.
okay let me wait let me check one oh it is in pause situation okay I also yes I am also thinking so I will explain again I think E number yes once I will repeat this yeah the question is dear students limit x tends to infinity root under x minus a minus root under bx when x is infinitive then the given function takes infinity minus infinity form यो infinitive यो पनि infinitive पाउँछौ so limit हामी यसलाई indeterminate form भएको हुनाले conjugateले मल्टिप्लाई गर्छौं यसलाई conjugateले मल्टिप्लाई गर्यौं र conjugateले मल्टिप्लाई गरिसकेपछि यो रिजल्ट पायौं यो x minus a plus bx लाई यो a square minus b square गर्दा x minus a अनि b square भनेको minus bx भयो यस यो भइसकेपछि अब हामी के गरौं भन्दा फर्स्ट र लास्टबाट x कमन छ त्यही भएर त्यो टर्मलाई सँगै राखौं 1 minus b भयो यहाँ 1 यहाँ b रह्यो 1 minus bx minus यो a को साइन माइनस छ अनि रुट अन्डर x minus a plus रुट अन्डर bx रह्यो यो स्टेपलाई यो स्टेपसम्म कन्भर्ट गरौँ अब हामीलाई एउटा जिज्ञासा लाग्यो कि यो x को टर्म यो b को टर्मसँग भर पर्दो रहेछ किन भर पर्दो रहेछ भन्दा यो b1 भयो भने यो 0 हुँदो रहेछ यो टर्मै हट्दो रहेछ यो b1 भन्दा अदर भयो भने चाहिँ अरु न्यूमेरिकल भ्यालु a को ले खासै मतलब गरेन तर b को ले किन मतलब गर्यो किन हामीलाई डिफेक्ट पार्यो भन्दा b को भ्यालु 1 हुने बित्तिकै यो x टर्म नै हट्छ यहाँ जस्ट a रहन्छ समथिङ बाइ यहाँ इन्फिनिटिभ आयो नि के आउँछ समथिङ बाइ 0 आए पनि इन्फिनिटिभ आउँछ तर b को भ्यालु चाहिँ 1 नै हुन पनि सक्ने भयो 1 नहुन पनि सक्ने भयो त्यसकारण हामी दुईटा केसमा जान सकियो कि एउटा 1 छैन भनेर मानौं एउटा 1 छ भनेर मानौं किनभन्दा 1 छैन र 6 बीचमै b छ अब मैले फर्स्ट केसमा गए बाबु नानी एउटा b चाहिँ 1 छैन भन्ने केस छ ल फर्स्टमा हामी b छैन त नि 1 भन्यौ देन द फंक्शन टेक्स यो b1 होइन भने यो b ले 1 दिदैन भने 1 बाट 2 अथवा -1 जतिसुकै होस् यसले फाइनाइट भ्यालु दिन्छ त्यो टाइम इन्फिनिटिभ चाहिँ के हुन्छ इन्फिनिटिभ हुन्छ इन्फिनिटिभ बाट a सब्ट्र्याक्ट गर्दा पनि इन्फिनिटिभ आउँछ इन्फिनिटिभ डिनोमिनेटरमा पनि इन्फिनिटिभ लगाउँदा इन्फिनिटिभ आउँछ भन्छन् इनडिटरमिनेट फर्म हुँदो रहेछ यदि b1 छैन भने अब त्यसपछि के गर्ने त भन्दा यो पार्टमा भागलाई वी राइट दिस डिवाइडिङ बाइ अब यसलाई चाहिँ हामीले त्यो इनडिटरमिनेट फर्मलाई हटाउनु पनि पर्यो अनि ट्र्याकिङ गर्नु पर्यो भनेर मैले x ले डिवाइड गर्ने किनभन्दा x क्यान्सल हुन्छ अथवा हाईएस्ट पावरले हामी डिवाइड गर्छौं रुट अन्डर तिर हुँदाखेरि जुन ट्र्याक छ त्योबाट पनि यो थोरै गाइडेड हुन सक्छ अनि नाउ 1 minus b times x minus a by x गर्दा यो दुईटा x x त्यसलाई सेपरेट गर्दा x x क्यान्सल हुन्छ 1 minus b आउँछ अनि a by minus a by x हुन्छ यो बुझिहाल्छौ तिमी 11 क्लासको बच्चाहरुले अब यसमा रुट अन्डर x minus a by x भनेको मैले तिमीलाई भनिसके छु x भनेको रुट अन्डर x स्क्वायर हो अनि हाम्रो x minus a को ठाउँमा x भनेको रुट अन्डर x minus a ओभर रुट अन्डर x स्क्वायर गर्यौं र त्यसलाई के गर्यौं x माइनस a बाई x स्क्वायरको फर्ममा गयौँ अझै फेरि सेपरेट गऱ्यौँ x बाई x स्क्वायर भनेको 1 बाई x माइनस a बाई x स्क्वायर अन्डर रुट यसरी सेपरेट पनि गऱ्यौँ जो रिजल्ट मैले यहाँ देखाएको छु सेकेन्ड सरी सिमिलरली रुट अन्डर bx लाई पनि यही प्याटर्नमा गयो भने अनि तल x स्क्वायर आउँछ डिनोमिनेटरमा यो x र यो x स्क्वायर काटिन्छ b बाई अन्डर रुट b बाई x हुन्छ यति भइसकेपछि अब हामी के गर्छौं यो स्टेपबाट भन्दा अब लिमिट लगाउँ न त समथिङ फाइनाइट भ्यालु यो 0 भइहाल्छ अनि त एउटा ट्र्याकिङ भयो भन्यो अब लिमिट लगाउँदा a को ठाउँमा सरी x को ठाउँमा इन्फिनिटी राख्दा यो 0 भयो 1 माइनस b न्युमेरेटरमा रह्यो त्यसपछि यो सबै टर्महरु हामीले तीनटै पटक रिपिट गरे म धेरै बोलिन यो पनि 0 आउँछ यो पनि 0 आउँछ सम चाहिँ तिनको के हुन्छ 0 हुन्छ 1 माइनस b भनेको चाहिँ 0 होइन किन भन्दा हामीले यही मानेछौं कि 1 माइनस के b 1 होइन फेरि यदि b 1 0 हुन्थ्यो भने त यो पनि फेरि इन्डिटरमिनेट फर्म हुन्थ्यो नि त सर भन्ने तिम्रो कुरा आउन सक्छ त्यसकारण हाम्रो केस छैन 1 भन्नेबाट स्टार्ट भएको छ छैन 1 भनेको मतलब यो 0 छैन 0 छैन र समथिङ के रे डिनोमिनेटरमा 0 छ भने यसको भ्यालु कति भयो इन्फिनिटी भयो एउटा केस अब दोस्रो केसमा जाऊ बाबु नानी हो सेकेन्ड केस इज b 1 नै भयो भने के हुन्छ त नि लेट्स चेक भनौं b 1 भयो भने देन द लिमिट x टेन्ड्स टु इन्फिनिटी 1 by b टाइम्स x minus a by under root x minus a plus root under bx becomes यो कस्तो हुन्छ भन्दा b 1 छ यो टर्म 0 हुन्छ न्युमरेटरमा माइनस a मात्रै रहन्छ डिनोमिनेटरमा के हुन्छ केही पनि चेन्ज हुँदैन किन भन्दा b को टर्म छैन अब यो अवस्थामा माथि एउटा फाइनाइट भ्यालु भएपछि हामी लिमिट लगाउन सक्छौं सजिलै अब माइनस a अनि इन्फिनिटी माइनस समथिङ इज इन्फिनिटी प्लस infinity times something is infinity plus infinity is infinity so minus a by infinity which is something by infinity is 0 so in two cases if b equal to 1 the value is 0 and therefore if b equal to 1 the limiting value is 0 if b does not equal to 1 the limiting value equal to infinity यसरी हामी यो क्वेशनलाई सल्भ गर्छौं आशा छ मेरो बाबु नानीहरुले यो क्वेशन सजिलै बुझे सोलुसनमा केही डिफेक्ट छैन आई थिंक दे अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड दिस क्वेशन मैले यहाँनिर एउटा मिस गरेछु इट बिकम्स यस दिस इज x ओके थ्यांक यू भेरी गुड क्वेशन यो चाहिँ b को भ्यालु 1 छ नि एकदम राम्रो कुरा बतायो यो चाहिँ x मात्रै हुन्छ यो न्युमरेटरमा मात्र मैले हेरे डिनोमिनेटरमा नि b छ त्यो 1 भएपछि x भयो थ्यांक यू सो मच अनि अरु प्रोसेस सेम भयो भेरी गुड suggestion yes I forgot to keep the value of b in denominator because here is also 1 because b is 1 in second case it should be x only the result will be the same but we should replace or we should keep their x only very good question yes यो चाहिँ we change हैन यो b लाई 1 ले रिप्लेस गर्यौं b लाई 1 ले रिप्लेस गर्ने बित्तिकै यहाँ x मात्रै बस्यो x मात्रै बसेपछि यो इन्फिनिटी यो पनि इन्फिनिटी भएर 0 आन्सर आयो Thank you very much. It's a very good relation or the answer or the solution.